Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glow text effect on Canva. So go to text and you can just select from these like glowy text. So there's like a few, and you can actually, I think, change the font of it, and I don't know if you can change the colors, but you can change the font. So select this one and add it to your image. Wow, why is it so laggy? Okay, maybe this one, and you can basically select it and just type in whatever you want to type, and here you can also change the font, which I find pretty cool, so I don't have to use the current font because I don't want to. Okay, why is the font so like, okay, there we go. And then let's see if we can change it by changing the color. Yeah, we can actually change the color as well of the like glow. So yeah, that's how you can easily create a glow text effect on CapCut. Sorry, not on CapCut. I say that a lot. My bad. On Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.